Nice little hop. Yeah. The last video on our channel was unboxing this beast of a truck, and if I do say so myself, that was probably one of our best unboxings ever. Abby did a great job editing that thing. You should totally go check it out. And after that video, you guys requested to see this thing at the hill to see how it does. This is the Redcat Racing Wendigo. It is an amazing ready to run vehicle. You just need to pick up your own LiPo. And today we're gonna run this brushless rock racer beast on a 2S LiPo on the hill. And then shortly into the video, we're gonna upgrade to a 3S LiPo, see if we can tell a difference. I'm sure we'll be able to, and that's gonna be fun. So be sure to stick around to see the driving difference between 2S and 3S. If you're new to our channel, we have tested a ton of vehicles here at the hill. And this is kind of like our benchmark to see how fast things dominate the hill or how they handle on the hill, because we do so many vehicles here. This is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, here we go. So I'm looking at this vehicle as like the best of multiple worlds. I think we can drive it kind of like a crawler if we want to, because check it out, we can go really slow if we want to take it nice and slow on trails and crawl it. Let's take it through the water. This puppy is waterproof. Not worried about this running through water at all. And it's officially classified as a rock racer, but it kind of reminds me of a monster truck too. Look at that.
Oh man.
Yeah, let's get closer. So we got some like flash rains through here, and it gave us a little bit of mud to go through. Yeah, this thing sits kind of tall, honestly. So going through water like that is no problem. No problem at all. This thing, 100% waterproof. I wouldn't submerge it in a lake. Let's do a nice fast drive-by. This is on 2S. Nice. This is awesome.
Oh, you put a 2S battery in here?
Yeah, starting on 2S, we'll end on 3S. Oh!
What did you just hit? How did you do that? Oh my gosh, why am I not driving this? Is that new? That is new.
That is new. I didn't know that was there.
Somebody recently did that. Yeah, so that's why that just happened. We did not know that was there. Oh man. They ruined our little ramp spot.
That's okay. Well, we're gonna go see how this does on the hill. Everybody wanted to see how the Wendigo does on the hill. Let's go. After I climb it a couple times, I'll pass the controls off to you, Abby. 2S, I think we're gonna go just fine. I'm gonna go kind of medium throttle. Yeah, conquers the hill, no problem. I kicked it back around. Let's go full throttle up the hill, and then I'm gonna pass the controls off to you. Now, let's see, full throttle. Oh, maybe a little too much power for the hill.
Juice it.
Yeah, saved it. Okay, I think I can do this. One more shot. I just need to hit it a little more straight on. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna hit full throttle. Oh, nice. It wanted to pop a wheelie at the end. So you'll notice this thing, Abby, has a lot of power, and it wants to raise up the front end when you juice it going up a hill. It also pulls a little bit to the right. So if you juice it really hard, it does have a strong pull. You got to kind of ease into the throttle. But look at that thing. That is awesome.
My turn.
All right.
Oh my God.
Well, that looks like a pretty happy wife. Controls of a rock racer monster truck. This thing is a beast.
I'm gonna take it through the grass.
Okay, that's tall grass. Very, very tall. There you go, nice. Up by the roots. Nicely done, Abby. Woo! See what you got, Abby. Blast it up the hill. This thing is sweet. Whoa! I told you it'll pop a wheelie. Oh yeah, that's got power. Nice save. Here we go, here we go. Nice, nice. Oh! I told you. It digs, and I think it needs trimmed just a hair. Easing into it, and then she's gonna throttle on. Look at the hop. That is awesome. We don't really have anything that drives quite like this. It's a very unique truck. Whoa! Oh, nice. Yeah, that was awesome. Down the hill, you can save it. Throttle at the right time. Yeah, good job. This thing is dominating the hill in its own kind of fun way. Nice, 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 nice. Good job. Oh, I feel like that was intentional almost.
I was trying to kick donut right on you.
Yeah, here we go. I love how, hey now. I love how you can kick it around up here. Yeah, it doesn't want to stay rolled over, does it? I think it's time for 3S. I felt like it needed trimmed up a hair, so I trimmed it up. And a 3S battery in here. I'm gonna open it up from right to left. We'll see how it runs on 3S. I'm excited. Here we go. You ready?
Yep.
Oh, wow! Oh,
You
that is
sped
some
up too
power.
fast. Wow.
Look at that. Watch. I think we can pop a wheelie easily. Okay. All right. I got to ease into it because this thing has some power.
Well, and you're coming uphill just slightly
A
right
little
there.
bit. We might be doing a speed test on this. That's way faster than I thought. Plus, we've had a high request for it. There's full throttle and
Oh, my truck!
Abby, this thing has some power. I think what we're going to have to do on the speed run is actually take it out on a nice open paved area because this thing is crazy fast. Wow.
You dented the sides a little bit on that one, Nate.
Well, that's got some power. There's no
You didn't
denying
expect that.
No. Wow, it's way faster and way more powerful than I thought for a rock racer. I've had one other rock racer that stands out to me and it never hit these speeds. It's really fast on a 3S battery. Wow. I find myself just playing with the throttle a lot on this. I'd love to give you guys one full throttle pass before we do our speed test. Let's try one more time. Promise I will not, if I wreck it again, I'll just pass the controls to Abby.
Yeah, after you break my truck.
Here we go. There's full throttle. The tires were ballooning when I hit it.
That's crazy.
Wow. We got to do a speed test on this. That's way faster than I thought it would be. What a rock racer. Okay, blast it up the hill, right?
Thought it was going to be my turn.
I said if I wreck. I saved it. Can we get it up the hill and then I'll pass the controls to you. You're going to like this thing. I love whipping it around at the top of the hill.
The
because
back kicks around.
It has so much power you can just... Oh, it's your turn. We do rules of 3. All right, rules of 3 says Abby gets the controls if I wreck it 3 times, and if she wrecks it 3 times, I get the controls back.
You see that wheelie?
Oh, it's awesome, isn't it? This is like the most powerful rock racer / monster truck style of vehicle I've ever had my hands on. It's just a very unique vehicle. And let's face it, when you're talking about ground vehicles in the world of RC, what? When you got 4 wheels on the ground, it's really hard to have a unique vehicle. Oh, Abby, that's it. You're done. Stop, stop, stop. Stop. We can ramp this. We'll take it out and ramp it. Let's not ramp it on the little... Oh, let's go down here. We have a lot of fun down here. Very unique vehicle. Oh, and it seems to be pretty tough. Yeah, you hit the asphalt hard, as did I when trying to do a speed run. Nice little hop. Yeah. Oh.
The back wheels just toppled over the front.
Yeah, yep. This thing just drives really cool. I love rock racers. There's not a lot of them out there. And I really like rock crawlers a lot. This thing is an absolute beast on 3S. It completely wakes up. It's a whole different vehicle from 2S to 3S. I think my favorite thing about it is how beastly it looks It has a pretty wide stance, but even though they're calling this a rock racer, if I were classifying it as something, I would call it a monster truck rock racer, wouldn't you guys? With the way it sits up pretty high and stuff. Now granted, it's slightly top heavy. Yes, you do need to slow down on the curves big time, but Abby and I threw some really hard hits at it and it's still running strong. I'm really excited to have this in our collection. I love this thing. We love our Gen 7 Sport Pro, either one. They're both great. And Abby and I both each own the Redcat Racing Gen 8. Just a really cool looking truck to add to the collection. We'll have this linked in the description box below. If you need battery recommendations, charger recommendations, we'll link it all. And I refer to those crawlers in the unboxing and this one because we love them so much. If you're looking for a really good, budget-friendly, ready-to-run crawler, we'll link those down in our description box below too. I'd love to hear your guys' feedback. How do you think this did on the hill? And what do you think? It's not very often we see rock racers, especially one that looks so cool. Guys, I thank God for getting us out here, even though it's super hot and muggy. We had that crazy rain and we're both sweating like crazy. It's such a good hobby to share together and I'm so grateful. Thank the big guy upstairs. And we just couldn't do our videos without our Patreon supporters. We thank each and every single one of you guys. I know a lot of you have been getting your stickers in the mail. What do you think of the stickers? What vehicle have you put your RC Sailors stickers on? I'm excited to talk about that in the comments below. We need to sticker this puppy up. I could see a big RC Sailor sticker on the hood right there. That'd look good. Well, if you missed the unboxing, we'll have that video popping up right about now. It's one of our best unboxings, I think, ever. Great job editing that, Abby. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.